Do you want to leverage analytics to propel your Industry 4.0 journey? Gramener brings 12+ years of manufacturing data and AI expertise to accelerate your success. We create tailor-fit analytics solutions for your specific needs. We assist you in reducing time to market with streamlined implementation. We have helped multiple clients from multiple industries to embrace smart manufacturing. We assisted a global pharmaceutical and consumer health leader in achieving a 16% increase in production output. We helped one of Asia's largest FMCG conglomerates with 12% improvement in overall equipment efficiency. We collaborated with a leading American automotive company with revenues exceeding $150 billion to achieve over 99% accuracy in defect detection. We partnered with one of the top 3 global personal computer manufacturers to reduce maintenance costs by 15%. We enabled the second largest global FMCG company to attain a near-zero accident rate in their factories. We can help you build analytics-driven optimization and simulation solutions for manufacturing processes leveraging cutting-edge technologies like digital twin, computer vision, industrial automation, generative AI, and supply chain control tower. Contact us to transform your manufacturing with intelligent solutions.